Choosing the right angle grinder can be tricky. Low power, short battery life, overheating, and bulky designs often ruin the experience. That's where modern cordless brushless angle grinders stand out. They deliver strong cutting performance, longer runtime, and better portability without messy cables. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best angle grinders of 2026. Powerful, efficient, and perfect for cutting, grinding, polishing, and DIY projects. We researched user reviews and specs to build this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews. Number 5. YOFIDRA 1500W 125mm Brushless Angle Grinder. The YOFIDRA 1500W angle grinder delivers strong performance with its high-speed 12,000 RPM brushless motor, making it ideal for cutting metal, polishing surfaces, and grinding tasks. Its 125mm disc size provides a perfect balance between control and cutting depth. Designed for Makita-compatible batteries, it offers excellent portability without sacrificing power. The ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling during extended use, while the cordless design allows flexibility in tight spaces. Durable, efficient, and versatile, this grinder is perfect for both DIY users and professionals. Number 4. Magnitt 125mm Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder. The Magnitt 125mm angle grinder stands out with its 3-speed adjustable settings, giving you precise control for different tasks like cutting, grinding, or polishing. Powered by a brushless motor, it ensures longer lifespan and efficient performance with less heat buildup. Compatible with Milwaukee 18-volt batteries, it provides reliable cordless power for demanding jobs. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle, even for extended use. Whether you're working on metal, tiles, or wood, this tool delivers consistent and smooth results. Number 3. Electric Goddess 125mm Brushless Angle Grinder. The Electric Goddess 125mm angle grinder is built for power and flexibility, featuring a high-performance brushless motor for efficient cutting and grinding. Designed to work with DeWalt 20V batteries, it offers strong, cordless performance for both indoor and outdoor projects. Its lightweight body and comfortable grip reduce fatigue, making it ideal for longer working sessions. With stable speed output and solid build quality, it handles wood, metal, and other materials with ease. A reliable choice for users seeking performance and convenience in one tool. Number 2. The PATUOPRO 125mm Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder. The PATUOPRO 125mm angle grinder combines durability with high efficiency, thanks to its brushless motor that delivers smooth and powerful operation. Compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, it provides long runtime and consistent performance for cutting, grinding, and polishing tasks. The sturdy construction ensures reliability even under heavy workloads, while the compact design improves control and maneuverability. Its cordless setup makes it perfect for job sites, workshops, or home use. This grinder is a great option for users who want power, precision, and reliability. Number 1. Hippcron 12V Portable Mini Angle Grinder. The Hippcron 12V Mini Angle Grinder is a compact yet powerful tool designed for precision tasks and portability. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry and handle, especially for small cutting, polishing, or detail work. Powered by a lithium battery, it offers cordless convenience and flexibility for quick jobs anywhere. Despite its small size, it delivers reliable performance for light to medium-duty tasks. Ideal for DIY users, hobbyists, or quick repairs, this mini grinder proves that big performance can come in a small package. If you need power, portability, and flexibility, cordless angle grinders are the perfect solution.
These 5 models offer strong performance, efficient brushless motors, and great value for different needs. Whether for heavy-duty work or small DIY tasks, there's a grinder here for you. Which one do you like most? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.